Hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at the LineLearner app. It is available on iOS and Android, and it will help you memorize scripts, dialogue, and even monologues. Whether you're a film actor or a theater actor, this app will help you. We will talk more about it after the bump. Hey everybody, welcome to Augmented Actor. My name is Doug Fahl. This is Augmented Actor, where we help you augment your acting career with tips, tactics, and tech. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. I do acting related videos each week. Today we're going to take a look at the LineLearner app. It's available on iOS and Android, and it's only $4. But if that's too rich for your blood, there is a light version that is free. You can try it out and just you do a few short scenes to get a sense of what the app is like. This is a great app for people who are audio learners. And each of us have a different type of learning. We can be visual learners, semantic learners, audio learners. I did a video about different learning types, which you can see linked above or in the description below if you want some more information on that. But for audio learners who like to listen to lines and hear them and speak them out loud, this is a great app because it's an app you can take with you on the road. You can listen to your lines while you're in the car, on the bus, and you can even take your script and plug it into the app so that you can read along with your script while you're learning your lines. So it's really, really useful. Okay, so let's just jump into the app and I'll show you how it works. So you click on the LineLearner app there, and then you start by naming a script. Now I'm going to use a script from a production of Christmas Carol that I did recently, and we'll call that Christmas Carol. Christmas Carol. Great. Create script there. Boom. And we can get rid of this first script, which comes by default. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to want to do is jump into the Christmas Carol script by clicking on the little icon here. We can break it down into scenes, or if you're a film actor, you can choose shoot dates as well. So you can break it down into days. It's really great for film actors because you can concentrate just on the scenes you're shooting that day. But for theater actors, you're going to want to use scenes. And we're going to go to this characters button, and we're going to choose our characters. So first of all, we're going to click on the me icon here, and we're going to pick this little male character, and we're going to call him Scrooge. And then we're going to say my name is Doug. Okay. You can also add a picture. Let's do a picture instead. So we're going to access the camera library. Okay, and there we go. We have me on the screen there. And then we're going to do Belle here. She's a female character, so we're going to call her Belle. And we'll say she's played by somebody named Karen. Not Jaren, Karen. Great. Now, over on the right, you can select the star icons, and that indicates which character the app thinks is you. So let's make sure that Scrooge is me, because that's the one I'm trying to learn. Now, Karen's voice might be a little bit higher. We want to distinguish her voice from my voice when we're listening it back. So let's give her a higher pitch. Great, we've set up our characters. We're going to go back to the scene, and we are going to record some lines. So maybe you want to look at the PDF of your scene while you're reading the lines. And so how do you do that? Well, you can load a PDF of your script into the app. How do you do that? You switch over to your mail app, you mail the PDF to yourself, press and hold, and then this is on iPhone at least, slide to the right and hit copy to LineLearner. And then you'll notice a little PDF icon up here in the corner, which you can click, and you can see the scene that we are going to record. So let's close that off for now, and I'm going to read the lines off my computer screen here. Let's start with Belle. As soon as you hit her icon down in the bottom, it will start recording, and then you hit it again to stop. Excuse me, Ebenezer, but it has grown quite late. Now let's play that back.
Excuse me, Ebenezer, but it has grown quite late.
See how her voice is higher in pitch than mine will be. And let's record Scrooge lines by clicking on my own icon. I've only a few more things to finish here. Is it important? I've only a few more things to finish here. Is it important? Great. So my lines are in my normal voice. And let's go back to Belle. I'm going to record the rest of the lines in high speed. Excellent. Now our lines are recorded. Now we can go to the play icon at the bottom of the screen. And the first thing you'll notice is that on the right side of the screen, you have a little slider that goes from the hare to the tortoise, which means you can adjust how fast the dialogue is said. So if you've got your lines down, you can speed through them a little bit, or you can slow them down if you're having trouble. While we're here, if you're an actor and you struggle with memorizing lines, I have a playlist of 5 videos all about memorization, and I'm sure you'll find some technique that will help you there. You can find them in the link that is indicated up above or down in the description. If you're watching on a smart television, you'll have to go to your phone or your computer to see those links. Also, if you are a reader type, I have an ebook on the same subject, memorizing your lines, that you can get for absolutely free. All you have to do is click on the link and then enter your email and your name, and I will send you a free copy of that book. Okay, so let's look at the little menu up here, and we'll see that we have a loop section. You can loop just a line, a scene, a particular day of shooting, or the whole script. You can also set A/B points so that you can just work on problematic sections of a script. And then you can play back the full audio, including your lines, or you can leave a gap where your lines would be, or you can do both, where you can take a line gap, a gap line, line gap line, or gap line gap, and that is a way that you can get refreshers along the way. But let's just do my lines right now so we can hear the whole scene played out. We're going to speed it up just a little bit, and here we go.
Excuse me, Ebenezer, but it has grown quite late.
I've only a few more things to finish here. Is it important?
To you very little. Dear Ebby, your business is consumed.
It occupies me, yes. I will be a good man of business, you may be sure of it.
It is clear that another idol has replaced me.
What?
Okay, great. So let's now go and let's leave a gap where our lines are. So we click on gap there, and then move it back up, and we'll start at the beginning here, and we'll try to say our lines with the script. Let's move this down so it's normal speed, and here we go.
Excuse me, Ebenezer, but it has grown quite late.
I've only a few more things to finish here. Is it important?
To you very little. Dear Ebby, your business has consumed you.
Now, if you forget a line, you can hit prompt.
It occupies me, yes. I will be a good man of business, you may be sure of it.
And it'll play your line for you. So that's really helpful when you can't remember the line and you're stuck. Just hit prompt at any point during the gap, and it will play the full line for you. Now, if you want to do other things, you can like recap just your lines, and it will go through just your lines.
I've only a few more things to finish here. Is it important? It occupies me, yes. I will be a good man of business, you may be sure of it. What idol?
Etc. You can also change the length of time, leave a little bit of a gap after their line and before your line so that you have a little bit more time to come up with the line if you're having trouble struggling with it. You can add stage directions to your recordings and have them read or not, depending on whether you toggle this button. You can also show the PDF, so when you come up, it'll show the script, so you can read it as you're playing it. And finally, you can show a scene index, which will show you a breakdown of the scenes, which we only have one scene right now. I assume you're an actor because you're watching this video, and if you are, or you're otherwise in the performing arts industry, I invite you to join the Augmented Actor Facebook group. You can catch the link right here or in the description below, and we would love to have you. It's a growing community of actors from all over. Also, the app comes with its own help section with detailed instructions and a quick start guide. You can also share your scripts with other actors by using the sharing features, and that way you can record a script, send it to a friend, they can change which character is read and which one is not, and you can basically save a lot of time doing that. There's also another app by the same developer called Script Recorder, which allows you to record a reading of the script and then break down the dialogue into a LineLearner recorded thing already ready to go. That can save you lots of time if you record a read-through. So if you like the LineLearner app, the links are down in the description below, and you can download it for iOS and Android. It's only $4. It's well worth it. There is another video that I did on a wonderful act called Actor Trade. You want to check that out over here. And if you're interested in those memory videos, I got them listed right here in this playlist. Check it out, and I hope to see you next time.